Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix sorry the credentials you are using are invalid on Epic Games. So the only reason you're going to see this error code is because you have entered a wrong user credential. Make sure you have entered the right user credentials in the sign in page, that is the email address and the password. And if you think you don't remember the password, you can simply scroll down and click on I can't sign in. When you click on I can sign in, you'll have to enter your account email and click on send email. After that, Epic Games will send an email to your added email address and you can reset the password from there. But if you are still facing the problem, even if you have entered the right credentials, what you're going to do is simply go to the start icon, search for Epic Games Launcher. Now on this page, you'll have to just click on the uninstall button just right here. When you click on uninstall, Epic Games Launcher will be removed completely, and this is going to clear the captcha from Epic Games. Now what you'll have to do is simply navigate to any browser, go to the search bar, type in Epic Games Launcher. Now click on download the Epic Games Launcher from Epic Games Store, and you can download the Epic Games Launcher from here. After that, install the launcher, open the launcher again, log in using user credentials, and your problem will be solved. So make sure you remember the password and email address correctly, and that will be enough to solve your problem. So that's how you do it. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.